Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create QR code for location. Right, so you just want to send your QR code for your location you're currently at, and I'm going to show you a very simple way on how to do that. So first of all, open up your Google map just like this, and let's say this is your location, top rank hotel. So let's create a RQ code for that. So all you need to do, click on that, right? And you're going to have a drop down menu just like this, and you scroll to the left hand side and you see share. You click on share just like this, right? And you're going to see you have to copy the link. So you click on the copy right there, and you have copied that. So the next step you have to take, you have to go to your Chrome, open up your Chrome app, and you search for QR code monkey free, just like this, and open open it up, open it up like this, right? Just like this. So all you need to do, click on this right there. You clean up that one and add the link you copied, and you scroll down to create our Q code, as you can see, and it's going to be created. You click on download PNG just like this and wait for it. Wait for a few seconds for it to load up, and it's going to be generated. Okay, your RQ code is done generating. So click on cancel, and let's go to WhatsApp and send it to someone right here. And I'm going to send this RQ code. Okay, let's go back. So let's just scan it ourselves. Let me do it so you can see. There's my RQ code, and okay, click on gallery and click on this, done, and it's going to scan it. Click on open link just like this, and it's going to open it up. Right, if this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.